They give confidence in me. Is it filming?
Yes.
Okay, this is an electrolytic setup. And what I've done is I've taken 2 copper rods and I've connected them to a DC transformer. DC transformer has a variable voltage that I can click on here, and I'm monitoring my voltage with this voltmeter. So once I get the voltage to about 3 or 4, there we go. And look at this rod, and you'll see bubbles appearing on it. And that's because it's electrolyzing the water. It's literally ripping apart the water molecules. Hydrogen atoms are forming at this electrode because it's reducing the hydrogen down to the molecular state, and oxygen atoms are appearing here as they capture as the electrons are taken away from them. And there's all these oxygen atoms coming at the top. And as well, there's some zinc in the solution, and the zinc ions are being deposited onto this copper rod, which I cleaned earlier to make for a better surface to deposit. And you can see from the ammeter that it's plating out at a rate of about 4 amps. So there's quite a bit of current passing through because this solution has lots of ions in it and it conducts electricity pretty well. If I lift the rod out, you'll see that it's already collecting zinc on its surface. It's becoming coated in zinc, and that gives it a silver color. We're going to do a little bit more. Once it finishes coating, I'm going to take the rod out, rinse off the potassium hydroxide that was in the solution. Okay, my fuse just popped, so no more electroplating anyway, until it cools off. I'm going to now rinse the rod so I can heat it up and see if it causes the zinc atoms and the copper atoms to mingle, and it'll form brass. It'll look like this if it works. Heat it up a bit more. There we go. So the zinc atoms mixed with the copper atoms, and it made brass on the surface of the copper. Because brass is a mixture of copper and zinc. So it was a very thin coating, and you see if I overheat it over here, it evaporated the zinc off, so it didn't really make the alloy. If you mix copper with tin, you get bronze. Those are alloys which have been very useful